Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Talk. I am Soham, a Canva verified expert. I have spent a year creating design templates and content professionally. So this isn't going to be another Adobe is dead video. I am going to compare both software based on the real world workflow, and at the end I will tell you which one I will personally recommend in 2026. So let's get started. Let's start with the most important category. Adobe works on a subscription model. You keep paying every single month. At the moment you stop paying, you lose your access. मतलब creativity से ज़्यादा subscription की tension होती है. I really feel that. Now compare this with Affinity. Affinity is basically free forever code tools with optional advanced AI features connected with the Canva Pro. If you have Canva Pro, you can use Canva AI features, which is really amazing. But the real shift is just bigger than the pricing. Affinity is now becoming the choice of professional designer who are tired of subscription trap and want creative freedom. No recurring cost anxiety, just pure focus on design. Software isn't just about features, it's about stability. As a designer, we all know this pain. You are working on a big project, deadline is close, client is waiting, and suddenly Adobe crashes. Our Photoshop is crashed. And honestly, ये moment हर designer की life में कभी ना कभी जरूर आता है. The frustration is real. Now coming to Affinity, in my experience, I can tell you that Affinity feels much more stable and lightweight. For larger files and multiple layers, heavy export, I generally do it. Everything runs very smoothly. It launches fast, is responds instantly, and the most importantly, it doesn't randomly kill your workflow. Now this is where things get interesting. Adobe has massive ecosystem: Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Premiere Pro, and tens of other creative cloud apps. But here's the problem, my friend. Each software will cost you separately, add a burden to your subscription, and more importantly, it consumes heavy system memory and slow down your workflow. Now let's talk about the new direction. Canva has building something like a creative OS, and Affinity is a core part of it. Inside the ecosystem, Affinity, vector, photo, layout, all in one design system in one single app. And Calvary for motion graphic, After Effects, alternative, DaVinci Resolve for video editing, a Premiere Pro, good alternative. Many of the video editors are already using DaVinci Resolve as a primary editing tool. And Canva sits on top of it as a collaboration AI publishing layer. The biggest advantage, everything is lighter, connected and faster. And the last 1 year, this ecosystem has been extremely stable. मेरा तो कभी एक भी बार फेल नहीं हुआ. तुम भी ट्राई करोगे, तुम्हारा भी नहीं होगा. Adobe gives you everything in one single place, but locked inside one expensive system. Affinity, Canva, Calvary, DaVinci Resolve give you flexibility, lower cost, better performance, and modular workflow. Only useful apps, nothing else. In future, Affinity will be the most important too. So why you should choose Affinity in 2026? If you are a student, if you are a freelancer or a YouTube or content creator, you want to escape subscription pressure, you want a faster, lighter workflow, and especially if you are inside Canva ecosystem, then Affinity become even more powerful. और सबसे important, creativity पे focus रहते हैं and softwares के subscription पे नहीं. So now I want to hear from your side. If you had to choose one ecosystem, which one would you like to pick? Adobe Creative Cloud or Canva Creative OS? Comment below and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe to Design Talk. I'll see you into the next one. Until, happy designing, my friend.